Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? Today we are cooking beans porridge. Yes, we are cooking beans porridge. First things first, we are going to pick our beans. After picking our beans, we are going to wash it and put it inside the pot and add some water, and we are going to add onion. Yes, some people, so that it can get soft easily on time. Some people use potash, but I normally use for my own cooking, I use onion. Yes, so it will be easy, it will get soft on time. For instance, if it's supposed to spend 1 hour, it's going to reduce, the onion will reduce it to 30 minutes. Yes, it will reduce it to 30 minutes. Guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments keep me going. Yes, and this beans porridge, you can add, once it is done, you can add curry. If you like curry, you can add curry it and mix together and eat it. You can use bread. Yes, you can use it with yam. You can use it plantain. You can actually use it alone. Yes, you can use it with rice. It is very good. Now, what I added there was bell pepper and onions. I blended them all together, and I added palm oil because it was getting soft. And this is not cube. I just love not chicken cube. And the next thing is I'm adding salt. So we leave it for some minutes, and before we know it, our beans is ready. Yes, beans, ewa lasepo. That's what we call it in my language, ewa lasepo. Thank you guys for watching, and happy new year in advance. Stay tuned for my next video.